So a few days ago in our inner cycle, I posted a question that would interest every poultry farmer, whether you are just an intending poultry farmer or existing poultry farmer. So I posted a question that will interest you. The question is about financial freedom. So I was like, what capacity of layer farm would give you financial freedom? I mean, is it 2,000 capacity layer pen, 10,000 capacity, 50,000? And you'll be surprised the kind of responses that I got from folks that are following me. And quickly before I proceed, in case you're not following us yet, this is Feathers Pro, your number one animal scientist and your poultry success partner. So do well to subscribe to the channel and then click the thumbs up if you think you like the video. So the question was, what capacity of layer farm would give you financial freedom? We have said it time and time again that layer farming will make you a millionaire. Actually, there's a twist to that now. It takes a millionaire now to go into the business. Then most definitely, if you do things right, layer farming will now make you a multi-millionaire or even a billionaire. So back to the question, how many birds do you think you would have to own for you to gain financial freedom? I tell you, this business, even though I'm not trying to say that everybody must go into layer farming business, but I tell you, this business holds a lot of potential. Trust me on that. So while we know for a fact that layer farming can make you a multi-millionaire, what capacity? Because it's an important question. And just let me know in the comment section if you think it's an important question too. Is it 2,000? Is it 5,000? Actually, I have a lot of optimistic people in my inner cycle, and you'll be surprised the kind of responses they were giving. I saw people saying 50,000 birds, and that's like, whoa, 50,000 birds. I mean, the kind of proceeds that you get from a 5,000 capacity layer farm or a 10,000 capacity layer farm alone, I mean, it's going to change the narrative for you. Not to talk of a 20K, a 30K, a 40K, and even a 50K. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. So currently what we have here, we have around 4,000 capacity, and there's another 10,000 capacity. This is actually a 5,000 capacity pen. There's another 10,000 capacity there. So we had to stock most of the cells in threes, so 3. That's why we have 4,000 here. So this 10,000, we ought to have even completed it, but we had a setback. Not really a setback, but because of certain plans that we had to put into place, we had to slow down the construction of that. But then we are speeding things up now with this construction, because according to the plan that we have, this is the time where we need to really put the structure up so that we can stock the second pen in preparation for the 2026 production year. All right, so it's something that you want to ask, is a question that you want to ask. For me, it's very crucial because financial freedom is the goal. You don't want to just hustle, but you want to thrive. And if you want to thrive, your goal should be financial freedom. So if you are able to answer this question, I mean, how many birds capacity layer pen do I need to have so I can achieve financial freedom? This would actually help you in planning from the get-go. Even the kind of land that you get, the size of land, you don't just get 2-3 plots of land and you are stuck after 1 year, after 2 years. So from the get-go, you just get the size of land that you think can take you there to where you want to be. I mean, that place of financial freedom. So if it is 50K, like a lot of persons said in my inner cycle, of course, you then need to buy a land that would be able to take that kind of expansion. I tell you, with the size of investment of even just 2,000 to 5,000 capacity layer pen, the cost of land is not really your worry. It shouldn't be your worry, because if you are actually starting a 2,000 to 5,000 capacity layer farm, you're going to spend a lot of money that at the end of the day, you see that the cost of the land is almost insignificant. Don't get me wrong, land can be expensive in certain areas, but in most cases, the cost of the land is just so small compared to every other cost. I mean, in some places, the cost of a manure scraper will get you 2 acres of land. So if you put that in perspective, or not to talk of the cost of the cages that you'll be installing. But the good thing is that once you invest the said amount into this business, it definitely will give you back, and in many folds, especially when you work with people like us, where we hold you by the hand and guide you to ensure that you succeed. Because it's one thing to put the money or put in the money, it's another thing to make sure that you get the result that would make you happy at the end of the day. So I can imagine you're already thinking, oh, what's that number that can give me financial freedom? So when you come up with that number, just put it down in the comment section. I would like to see it, and maybe that will be answered prayers for somebody. So in the early hours of this morning, I was actually talking with an investor, and he was thinking about investing in layer farming, and then thinking about when he would break even and get the invested sum out of the business. So I'm like, no, you don't think like that when you're going into layer farming. So you're not really looking to get back your money ASAP. No, that's not the goal, because I tell you, layer farming will push you to expand and expand and expand. So just get this right. You don't go somewhere to borrow money, maybe like 100 million, 200 million, and then plan that, okay, after a year or two, you return the money and then you continue with the business. That's not how layer farming works. So even if you start with a capacity like 5,000 birds, I tell you, after the first cycle, by the time you are pouring back the money into the business, you would love to expand. You would love to increase that capacity. And that's the good thing about this business. The demand for egg is so enormous that you are not able to meet it. So by the time you invest your money in X amount of layers, and you notice that at the end of every month, your net profit is about 8 million naira. What comes to mind? 8 million naira in month one, month two, 8.2 million, month three, 8 million, like that. And after a whole production cycle, what comes to mind is actually how to increase that 8 million to probably 12 million, 16 million, or 20 million. So if you're the type that wants to invest into poultry and you're already thinking, how soon can I get back my money? That's not how it works. And then, just so you also know, most of the money that you'll be investing will go into the infrastructure. Building the pen is a very crucial part. And in case money is not a problem for you, of course, I like to work with people like you. When money is not a problem for you, you also need to focus on management, how to ensure that you get the kind of results that will make you happy at the end of the day. One of the reasons why I came to farm today is to run general inspection, and I can already see on this part of the pen that I am that more work needs to be done in removing the cobwebs, especially the ones in the upper part of the house. So they try, I can see it's obvious the workers try to remove the ones around here, even though the job is not so clean, but it's obvious that they removed the cobwebs. Yes, they removed it. But then I was just told also that we need to get them something more suitable to remove the ones in the upper part of the pen. And we're just going to get that ASAP so that they can do their job perfectly. All right, so that's one crucial part of management that you want to focus on. You don't just think about, because right now the birds are still performing really great. I'm telling you, really great. These birds are over 10 months, if I'm correct, in production, definitely over 9 months. They are either 10 months or over 10 months. So they are about 10 months into production, egg production, and they are still doing over 88%. Over 88%, 88 point something, 89% production. And this is massive. That's what some people get in their peak. In our peak, we got about 92, 93, 91%. And they did that for over 9 months. They just dropped a little to 88%, 88 point something percent. And that's amazing. But then you don't say because the numbers are still good, you don't focus on management practices that will help you keep that result that you are getting. So that's one of the reasons why I'm here today, and probably also to help one of you to decide what would be that number of layers on your farm that will grant you financial freedom. So don't forget, you put that in the comments, and who knows, it might be a wish come true for someone. So in case you're a complete novice when it comes to the numbers, I mean, knowing the cost of constructing a pen and then stocking up with birds, and even the financial reward from whatever capacity you are starting with, in case you're in that category and you really have a keen interest in starting poultry production, especially layer farming, you can reach out to us. We have a blueprint package that will take care of that need for you. All right, so we are wrapping up with the year 2025 and we are preparing for the year 2026. While we've done a lot this year, I would also love to help a lot of farmers to start something profitable and sustainable in the coming year 2026. And regardless of when you see this video, we are always happy to help you. This is Feathers Pro, your #1 animal scientist and your poultry success partner. All right, thank you for watching. Please click that like button, and in case you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to click the subscribe button. Thank you. I'll see you in the next. Bye-bye.